Okay, so let us start. Here we go. So first, this addition button that you could see, we will click on it, and it is the new presentation button. So I'm signed into Microsoft, and you also need to sign into Microsoft all the apps which you will be using. And now let us first come up to take a tour. So let us start now. This is gonna be very much interesting. Welcome to PowerPoint for Android. Before I start, you just know how to use this paste button. Yeah, you saw it. I had copied this picture and then I had pasted it over here by clicking on this paste button. Now, how did I insert the picture? When you go on this arrow, this menu, this drop down menu type of a thing occurs on your screen. You will click on insert and it shows you the variety of pictures in your device. So, here I will select my image. I will go on downloaded images. So, let's go on pictures and it is showing me the pictures, and from here I will select the respective pictures. If I will get it on recent, I got my this one. So we are all set. Now, as we are set, let us go. Welcome to PowerPoint for Android. 5 tips for a simpler way to work. Getting started. Okay, so first let's take a look at where everything is. At the top, you will find many of the features you're already familiar with, like share, play slideshow, notes, undo search, show commands, file menu. Now I want to add some notation. Like I want to really draw in my PPT. I want to indicate something in my PPT, and for a cause I have to draw in it. So in this way I can do it. Let us erase it. Let us take a brighter color. So here it's showing you brighter colors options. So here you will take some brighter color. So this is the box where let us take up a look where everything is. So now here I start. This shows you commands. This is search. This adds notes to your PPT. This plays your slideshow. This is the share option. This is undo. And until and unless you do something, you won't be able to undo it. Here is file menu. So it's all done. Let me erase it now. Okay. Now let me disable it. Yeah. So it's all done. Now at the bottom or left side of the screen, depending on screen orientation. Like right now I have landscape, and you can select rotate by rotating your device. But if you will rotate your device, you cannot rotate it while starting the PPT. While the PPT is going on, you cannot rotate it. So let us look at the slide thumbnails. Whatever PPT you must have made, whatever slide you must have made, the small thumbnail feature of it will occur. The slide thumbnail will be the same you have made. The slide you have made, the thumbnail will come as the same. Like this slide I have made. Let us check out. Like this slide I have made, this is the slide thumbnail. You can see over here. Let us come up to the next slide. PowerPoint built for touch. See, PowerPoint works on any touch device. It's easy to make changes with just a selection. Try it. Tap a square and choose copy formatting. Let us try it. So, here I will insert some shape. I have inserted this shape over in here. Now what else it's asking us? Okay. Let us add some formatting to this shape, some text formatting to this shape. Let us change the font to 36, then let us bold it and then let us change the color. The color could be much better. We cannot use this option as we need to download Microsoft 365 to unlock these features. So let us use some color, which some font color that we already have. So now I will write text in PowerPoint, or instead I will write PowerPoint introduction on Android. So, and I will underline it. Let me turn it to capitals, and let me just do it like this. Now instead of this font, if I want some other font, how will I do it? Like this. So let me go on some better font that according to me is appropriate. So what I think is that this is the font which I really want. Yeah, according to me, it's perfect. Now let us do whatever it was saying us to do, whatever it was asking us to do. Okay. Okay, yeah, now I've clicked on the screen. Now I will copy formatting. Now let us see next. Okay, now selection the circle and choose paste formatting. It's asking us to do that. Great. Let me select the shape. You can use any shape of your choice. It is not compulsory to use these shapes only. Mm, let me find a better one. Yeah, perfect. What to do next? Now click on paste formatting. Just a second. Now again click on copy formatting. Now you can paste the formatting over here. Or instead you can, if it is not working like at mine, so you can click on here and then you can click here to paste it. So now what I think is this is what you have to do. You can change the shape color by going on shape styles or fill. So now I will click on this. So now next be a dynamic presentation by adding notes and highlighting while you present. Yeah, this is what I did. Means I am a dynamic presenter. It was just for fun. Now let us come up to be serious. So here it is asking us to select the ink tool. So that we have already done. Let us move further. PowerPoint will ask you if you want to save your notes when you end the slideshow. To end the slideshow, you have to select end slideshow on top right. Like yeah, here. See, it is showing us ink notations. Do you want to keep your ink annotations? So I do not keep it. If you want to keep it, you can click on yes. Now let us see from where will we get the notes. This is commands. This is layout. And now we come up to be here. This is rehearse with coach. Let us understand all these options. So this means that adding these annotations and all is only the notes over here. So I hope it's clear over here. So now let us go on the next slide. Make the transition. Let us try it over here. So morph we are ignoring over here because we are not using PowerPoint 365 years. We are using the simple one. By clicking on here, you have to open your network, and then without network it won't allow you to rename your presentation. So here we will write demo. As you want to rename, you can rename respectively. It's just like the PowerPoint that you use earlier. Now here I will go on transitions. Which transition do I want? Yes, it is this one, I guess. So here you can select the effect options. You saw it? Just a second. Yeah. Now it will come like this. Now more questions for PowerPoint and Android. So when you will click on your PowerPoint, how to use PowerPoint, let the slide I opened, let us see how did I open this. I went to the plus sign. First let this close. It will take some time to close. Yeah, it closed. So now we will click on take a 2. Welcome to PowerPoint. And then we will get our slide. This we will get how to ask questions on PowerPoint. Oh no, what has this happened now? Okay, so no problems. It gets deleted. I think so. It got deleted. Yeah. So it gets deleted also. This also we have got to know from this. No problems. So now let me click on this slide again. Yeah. So you can see over here. Click on this arrow. It's a link or arrow. Now we did not read this clearly. Select the arrow when in slideshow mode. So only when you are on a slide, then only you can open these arrows. You saw it? It's opening. Okay. So now it's reloading. Yeah. You saw it? Now, after this, let us learn how to use the document thing. PowerPoint was the one for Microsoft. Now let us use this Word document.